This build is a longtime customer, local dude, wheels super hard. The build kind of up to today and what he's been wheeling for the last few years is 1 tons on 40s. He's got an 8-speed swap that we did a few years ago. It's great on these older JKs, works really well. He's got an Atlas, had long arms, king coilovers. It was a pretty built rig to date. And what he's realized is it just isn't, the suspension wasn't working the way he wanted to for what he was trying to accomplish and the kind of trails he's running. So we're kind of throwing at it our, favorite formula at the moment for these hardcore Jeep guys. We're gonna rebuild the Kings that he has, service these, get them cleaned up. We're doing an RPM, 3-link front suspension. He already had the RPM steering. We're gonna update his PSC RAM to function a little bit better. New track bar mount. Yeah, so that's the front end. Let's go take a look at the rear. It's in progress. Yeah. So, Frenched in 14-inch coilovers in the rear. As you can see underneath, we've got all of our brackets cut off. We've started to prep, and we are going to start installing tomorrow our RPM steering, 4-link rear setup. These are some of the brackets. You can see it's pretty heavy duty stuff. Yeah, it's a great setup, really good geometry, really good roll center, good anti-squat numbers, works really good on the rocks and on the street. You can drive it to trail and beat the crap out of it all day and have a good time. This is how I do outtakes. If you're gonna film me, this is how it's gonna go. You like the banter? Is it good? It's the best. Okay, good. Fuck yeah.